morning run. Let's jump in. 10 degrees ice bath. Makes you wake up, that is for sure. Good morning from Makati here in Metro Manila. Out running after a Muay Thai session. We crossed the road here. Nice to wake up here. Gotta make sure there are no cars in the way. A lot of traffic here. A great way to start the morning. Very warm. Later it's gonna be a lot more. Just we're gonna take a walk, but nice to get the steps up and start this Saturday with a lot of great energy. Continuing the run here downtown Manila. Gonna run to BGC. It's a few kilometers and then do an ice bath. But great to be outside. It's really warm and I'm gonna try to do more cardio on the weekend, maybe once or twice per week, besides just the regular strength training. So this morning, to energize, I went up, I had some nice oats with cacao and some seeds and some pineapple, so mostly fruit. But great to have the oats there for energy. Then we'll see. I explored a bit of a market here earlier, sell a lot of fruit, so I bought some jackfruit. It's gonna be great, but also bought some other stuff later for some natural energy. And we'll see something tonight healthy, probably like chicken or something like that. But now I'm gonna continue go out in the sun here, running under the malls here, and see you on the way to BGC and the ice bath. Definitely quite warm today. I'm running on one of these overpasses here, connecting the malls, and BGC is actually in the background here. It's a lot of tall buildings. And I'm gonna run down here on McKinley Road, which you can see here, very narrow, but connecting the Makati with the BGC area. So actually on the Muay Thai earlier, I practiced getting hit on the belly, so definitely hurting a lot, quite red, but yeah, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. That includes running and life and everything that you want to achieve. So let's continue running here, see if we get there fast. Always cool with these old cars, the jeepneys, kind of converted old American Army jeeps where people are riding. It's kind of the local version of the public transportation. And here we have some nice flowers. Very teaching environment here, but amazing to go out running in the nature when it's warm and very green. So now we arrived at this slightly fancier area. Yeah, hello! Everyone is happy in the background. And it's 31 degrees outside, not sure if you can see, but definitely warm and feeling quite good actually. Definitely gonna do a lot more running here. Still didn't arrive, a few more blocks here to get to the ice bath, but really great to get the pulse up and the endorphins, and feeling even better with the combo with the oats before. So gonna continue running here. See you very soon. Whew, so we finally arrived here, and it's actually only 30 minutes, or 31 to be precise, 325 calories, 4 kilometers. Normally it takes an hour to walk, so saving 30 minutes, great. Now we're gonna go up here, but also actually I'm gonna check my cardiovascular health. That apparently is a great metric. Let's see what that says. So I'm not sure if you're gonna believe this, but it actually says 14.5 years younger than my actual age. Hopefully at least it's a positive sign, even though I'm sure it's not exact in any way, but great motivation. So now let's go up and dive in the ice bath. Always refreshing. Always nice to sit in the ice bath here. First we did the Muay Thai in the morning, 1.5 hours, then a run, then relax a little bit here. Great to just calm down and reduce the inflammation. I'm gonna enjoy this. See you a bit later. Okay, 15 minutes, go, let's go. It's refreshing, now let's go outside. Okay, now we're back, but it was so refreshing that I got more energy to continue running, so I'm actually gonna run back now. 4 kilometers, cook a bit, chill, and then maybe sit down and read or something. But it's been a great start to the day. It's only noon, but having some great carbs in the morning, Muay Thai, and running. My good structure for the Saturday. What are your best tips for staying in shape, eating healthy, and enjoying life? Let me know. It'd be great to share, and maybe meet up if you have similar interests. But for now I'm gonna end it here. Have a great Saturday. See you in the next video.